anti-Hindu bias, Sumit? Who is behind it?
Uday, thank you very much for having me on your show. I'll start where exactly Joyitaji left. And the question you asked is a brilliant question, because if you have to understand the puzzle, you have to understand, you have to go to the root, and everything goes around the money. Now, let me give you a few examples, which are factual examples, right? Delhi riots, if you even look at Wikipedia today, it was done by Hindu mobs attacking Muslims on 23rd, while the riots started on 24th in Chandbagh, when DCP and ACP of Delhi police were critically injured. And remember, the brave constable Ratan Lal lost his life. Still, ACP, DCP, and Ratan Lal are not mentioned. It was edited 1600 times, because anybody with a ID can edit it. It was edited 1600 times. This is what TOI reported. But again, the editors of Wikipedia chose to edit and leave it that Hindu started the Delhi riot. We know there were 380 Twitter handles across the border were activated. We know this was done by PFI. We know STPI funded it. We know the money came from outside because they wanted to tarnish the image of India when President Donald Trump was here. Look at the Bangalore riot. Bangalore riot, same thing was done. Again, Hindus attacked the Muslims, but the first post, which was against the Hindu, that does not have a mention. Even after the edits, finally, the final editing is with Wikipedia, they choose to maintain the story. Now look at the money. Where does the money go from? For Soros Foundation and two people on the advisory of the Wikipedia board two people are in common. $50,000 were paid one time. Another $2 million were paid to Wikipedia from Soros Foundation. Wikipedia co-founder Larry Slinger says, quote unquote, now Wikipedia from an independent platform has become a leftist platform. This is not what Sumit Puri is saying. This is what the co-founder of Wikipedia is saying. And if you go through numerous examples like this, there is a very clear money trail which goes to these leftists, which is funded by Soros Foundation, and members are common. There are people who work here and there are people who work here. So with Soros Foundation money coming in and millions of dollars coming from there, and with these edits which are being reversed, when our prominent editors from the Indian media try to set the right perspective. Now, what does the Honorable Supreme Court say about the Delhi riots? What do our courts say about the Delhi riots? The mention of Pakistan disappears. So the Wikipedia, though pretends to be, it's like a Twitter game, Uday. Twitter pretends to be a platform, but is a publisher. Wikipedia does the same thing. Even you as an editor, as an individual or a responsible journalist will go and edit the fact, but you will see after 2 days it will have gone back to the old story. Now tell me, was the Delhi riot started by Hindus? No. Were the Bangalore riot started by Hindus? No. There is a malicious propaganda which is run against Hindus, which is run against India, and which is run against Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Whenever Prime Minister Modi is in US, or somebody important comes here, or there's something like COD and all happening, they will always create and orchestrate a tamasha. You might try to edit it 101 times. In Delhi riots, it was 1600 times plus. But still, they will not let the truth come in, because the money comes from Soros Foundation. That is where the buck stops. It is the leftists who are funding it. And what is happening? Another game is played with, Uday. After that, some Indian media and some YouTubers make, like, I don't want to take the names, write articles which are suiting their narratives. So they will give a link to that media. Okay, this is as per this portal, that media. But a mainstream media like you, but a national newspaper, but a government of India, Ministry of External Affairs, they do not matter. And as long as Hindus are attacked, Hindu faith is attacked, they are okay with it. So if they find a way to blame India, to blame Narendra Modi, to blame BJP, and to blame Hindus, that is the summary of it, because the money comes from there. And last point I want to make, Uday, last quarter, Twitter reported $532 million of loss. I think 532 or 582, I don't remember correctly. Let me go with the lower figure, $532 million of loss. $500 million of loss per quarter means you're losing $2 billion a year. Now, who is funding those $2 billion? That's where the answer is. And because of those interests, because of those funds, you can see the things go wrong. And, the things like Ayurveda are called Quakery, Farziwada, Jola Chaps. And things like Unani are time-tested formulas, are time-tested pranali of medicine. It's a time-tested, medicine which works. And Ayurveda, the oldest form, we invented the medicine, we invented the plastic surgery, and Ayurvedic doctors are quacks. That is what you can even find today. This exposes everything, Uday. I rest my case.
Rahul Ishwar, come in and is there a need for counter funding efforts? That's what Manju Seth was saying. If it all comes down to economics, India also can exert economic might.
I think, Uday, it's not a question of money, or it's not a question of counter narrative. You see, the light of sun doesn't need proof. Truth doesn't need proof. I don't have to prove to somebody there's sunlight. If we are 24,000 year civilization, old civilization, we are standing on our merits. We have stood the time of test. It is the survival of the fittest. So let's not even get into that. But the problem here is that, Uday, is imagine you have 10,000 rupees in your pocket and I start, let's negotiate, Uday. Some money is mine. Even if you give me 100 rupees, I'm gaining that 100 rupees. Nah, this is the money doesn't belong to me. It's your money. That is exactly what is being done with us. Our identity, our government, pro-India things, pro-Hindu things are being deliberately brought down. They are great, they are supreme. I have not an iota of doubt about it. That's why we have survived 24,000 years. Now, this is a very concerted effort where the money is being used to pull us down very systematically. Money is the problem. What you are doing right now is a national service because you are educating people, the common man on the ground, a teenager who's 18-year-old, 13-year-old, or just an adult who's 18 years old. He might not know who's George Soros. He might not know there are people who are common in the Wikipedia board and the people who are in the Soros Foundation are common people. He might not know. He might not know $2 million comes. He might not know we invented medicine, we invented plastic surgery, we invented sine tables, we invented zero, we invented so many things without which the modern day trigonometry and binaries are not possible. They might not know Sanskrit is the most programmable scientific language. They might not know these facts, but they have been manipulated. Their minds are being tried to manipulate that whatever is written in by Wikipedia are the words of Bible. Bhai, ye pura satya hai. While that satya is manipulated, that is paid, that is propaganda. Our job is to go and only expose that so-called free media called Wikipedia, what we are doing right now. Bhai, hame kisi ki certificate ki zarurat nahi hai, Uday ji. We are Sanatanis. We don't need certificate from anybody. Sunlight doesn't need certificate from anybody. Truth doesn't need certificate from anybody. So Sanatan doesn't need certificate from anybody. But it is our right, it's our duty to tell to the world and tell to our generations that what you believe is truth is all managed, fake, paid propaganda which is used against us by these people. Trace the money. I always say money makes the merry-go-round. Trace the money, you find the reasons. In Delhi riots, when ISI was operational, when it was done against President Donald Trump's visit, when money was fronted by PFI and STPI, when DCP, ACP are involved, were injured, and our brother Ratan Lal was killed. Why that doesn't have a mention? Why Ayurveda becomes quackery and Unani becomes a proven medical science? These are blatant facts. How old is Unani? Unani gets its roots from Ayurveda. How the hell can you challenge Ayurveda when we gave you the first medicine?
Okay, I'm running out of time. Last word to Joyita Basu. Last word, quickly.